Hi students, how are you? Hi everyone, how was your preparation going on? Yes, in the last class, can you tell me which topics we discussed in the last class? ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం లాస్ట్ టాపిక్? Yeah, parametric differentiation, partial differentiation, and total derivative is also completed. And we did homogeneous functions, and we also taken Euler's theorem, and in that Euler's theorem, we have taken two types of conditions also. Yes, after the Euler theorem questions, we solved four model questions in our Euler's theorem, and I given the introduction for maxima minima concept also. And maxima minima, let's see from continue. We can continue from maxima minima from today's class. So if you have any doubt in maxima minima, don't worry. I can resolve all your queries. No issue at all. Let us see this. Let me share this document. Yeah, my dear students, now I hope everyone can watch this document and see this maxima minima concept, one of the very important concepts in our GATE exam. Yes. Yeah, students, am I audible to you? Can everyone hear me? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, some student responded. Okay, fine. Okay, can I proceed to the class? Okay, fine. Yeah, students, this is maxima minima procedure, and the procedure to calculate maxima minima for one variable is given here. We need to consider the given function as f of x, and we should find out the derivative of f of x, then you will get f dash of x, and we should equate f dash x is equals to 0. When you equate f dash x is equals to 0, you will get some roots, and the roots of that equation are known as a. So after getting the roots, let us substitute in f double dash of a. If it is less than 0, then you will get maximum at that, you have maxima at that point. And if it is greater than 0, you will get minima there. And if it is exactly equals to 0, you don't have maxima, neither maximum nor minima there. And you will get a saddle point there. Yes, it's called saddle point. And we can also call the function has an extreme value if x is equals to a, if and only if f dash of a. Usually we compare with f double dash of a, second derivative. But if your f dash of a is 0, then you can say that the function is having extreme value at that point. Yes, this is the example we have in f of maxima minima. This is the example we have. So this is given function f of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 25. Let us find out f dash of x to this. If you take f dash x cube differentiation is 3x square minus x square differentiation is 2x. So it means 12x it becomes, plus 9x differentiation is 9. and 25 differentiation will be 0. Yes. And let us equate this f dash of x is equals to 0. So let us equate f dash of x is equals to 0. It means that 3x square minus 12x plus 9 is equals to 0. So before going to factorization, let us simplify this. 3 to divide cheyandi. X square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Then you can get the factors of x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equals to 0. So it means that either x is equals to 1 or x is equals to 3. These are the factors you got. Yes, sir. After getting the factors, you need to find out what you call f double dash of a. So f double dash of a substitute cheyalante first f double dash of x find out cheyali. So let us find out f double dash of x. That is, here already f dash of x is available. You just need to derivate it one more time. X square differentiation is 2x, 2 into 3x, that is 6x, 6x minus 12. So constant integration will be 0. Now my f double dash of x is ready. Now let's take f double dash of first root a means 1. So ikkada x value 1 వచ్చింది కదా, అది సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నా నేను. So if I take f double dash of 1, so 6 into 1 minus 12, that will be minus 6. Minus 6 means less than 0. So if I got answer less than 0, then what is my conclusion? If it is a negative, then I can say that this function is having maxima at this point. The given function f of x has maxima, yes, maxima at given point x is equals to 1. Yes, x place lo 1 substitute చేసినప్పుడే వచ్చింది కదా. So maxima x is equals to 1. And in the same way, let us find out second root. Second root ante x is equals to 3 substitute cheyali. Let me take x is equals to 3. So if I take f double dash of 3, so 6x, here I am substituting. 6x minus 12, 6 into 3 minus 12, and 18 minus 12, that will be plus 6 means greater than 0. So here I got positive value, then my conclusion is, yeah, the given function f of x has minima at x is equals to what you called 3. Yes. So it has one maxima and one minima. I got 2 points. Maxima and minima, okay. We can also find out that maximum value and minimum values also. So if you want to find out that max value, yes. If you want to find out that max values, the maximum value is ఇక్కడ maximum ఉందన్నారు కదా, ఆ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. f of 1. You need to substitute in given function f of 1. So f dash of 1 కాదు, f double dash of 1 కాదు. I am saying f of 1. F of 1 means in the starting of the function you have x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 25. So in that f of x you need to substitute 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 and plus 25. So ఇది 25, 34 minus 6 ante. So plus 28 and plus 1 plus 29 something you got. Maximum value is 29, and let us find out min value also. Minimum value is possible at x is equals to 3. Let us substitute 3 here. So 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 9 into 3 plus 25. So this is 3 square means 9. 54 is going to be, yes, cancel. And final result is 25 only. Yes. So the max value is 29 and the min value is 25. This is very, very important, students, the maxima minima concept. And that's why I repeated this question also. It's very, very important in gate point of view. I hope everyone understood this. Now let's go to the next example. The function f of x. The function f of x is equals to x square minus 4 whole square has dash. So this is the previous gate question. So they given some options. It has two maximas, three minima. So how many maximas, how many minimas? So that is the actual question. So if you see the options, you can understand the question better. So what I want to say is, let us find out maxima minimas for this relation. Okay, sir, the given function f of x we have. F of x is equals to x square minus 4 whole square. So for this f of x, let us find out f dash of x. So if you take f dash of x, it is just like in x square form. So x square differentiation is 2x, like 2 into x square minus 4 into, again internally, x square differentiation is 2x. Then I got some result 2 into 2x, that is 4x. 4x into x square minus 4, this is the thing I got. So as I know that, we should equate f dash of x is equals to 0 to find out the roots. So 4x into x minus 4 is equals to 0. Either the first product 0, either 4x is equals to 0 or x square minus 4 is equals to 0. Second product is 0. So 4x is equals to 0 means x is 0. Or x square minus 4 is 0 means x square is equals to root 4 plus or minus, x is equals to root 4 plus or minus 2. So your answer is either plus 2 or minus 2. Yes, sir. Finally, I got the roots for given x. So the roots of given x, what I got, 0, x is equals to either 0 or plus 2 or minus 2. These are the roots I got. Now let us substitute these roots in f double dash of x. So if you want to substitute in f double dash of x, let us find out the f double dash of x first. Sir, what is f dash of x? ఇక్కడ నేను f dash of x ని ఇట్లానే 4x అని ఉంచితే మళ్ళీ యూవీ రూల్లోకి వెళ్ళింది. సో యూవీ రూల్ కాకుండా let us simplify it, just multiply it. So 4x into x square is nothing but 4x cube. This is my f dash of x. Minus 4x into 4 is 16x. This is actual f dash of x. Now let us find out f double dash of x from this. ఇక్కడ రాద్దామా f double dash of x. Let me take here. I want to utilize this space. So f double dash of x. F double dash of x is equals to x cube differentiation is 3x square. 3 fours 12, 12x square it is. Minus it is 16x means differentiation 16. Now I got answer 12x square minus 16. Let us substitute the roots one by one. So one root is f double dash of 0. Another root is f double dash of 2. And another root is f double dash of minus 2. These are the three roots I got for x. So in place of x, if I substitute 0, 12 into 0 square minus 16. So the result is minus 16. Either it is 16 or whatever, doesn't matter. Here the matter is less than 0. In the same way, if you substitute 2 square minus 16, so 48 minus 16 ante 32 something plus 32 greater than 0. And here also, I think if you substitute minus 2, you will get same 32. 32 is greater than 0. Sir, greater than 0, greater than 0. That means in two cases, it is minima. It has minima. And less than 0, in one case, it has maxima. So the given function f of x has one minima, not one minima, one maxima and two minimas. Yes, at two places it is greater than 0, so it has two minimas. At one place it is less than 0, so it has one maxima. So that is the solution to this question. Okay, fine. Now take another question in maxima, minima. The maximum value of the function f of x is equals to x square into e power minus x occurs at x is equals to dash. So they already given that they decided it has a maximum value. That maxima at x is equals to dash, at x is equals to dash. Maybe x has some negative value or something. So at x is equals to dash, it has maxima. That is the question they are asking. ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర మాక్సిమా వస్తుంది. ఓకే. Yes, sir, let us see. Given x is equals to, given function f of x is equals to x square into e power minus x. Now, if you take f dash of x differentiation, what do you get? U dash v into v dash u. So, x square differentiation is 2x, 2x into e power minus x plus, and second time x square into e power minus x differentiation is e power minus x into minus 1. Minus x differentiation minus 1 kada. So then what do you take common here? E power minus x is common in both places. If you take e power minus x common, 2x, e minus ikkada cheddam minus x square. So now we want to equate f dash of x is equals to 0 to find out the roots. So there are two possibilities. The first possibility is either e power x is equals to 0 or 2x minus x square is equals to 0. So e power something is equals to 0. E power minus x cannot be 0 because if minus x is 0, it is possible if and only if x is infinite. If x is infinite, then only it is possible. E power minus infinite can be 0, you know that. So x cannot be infinite, so this is not valid. Let us focus here. Sir, 2x minus x square is equals to 0. Let take x common here. X into 2 minus x is equals to 0. It means x is equals to either 2 or x is equals to 2. X value may be 0 or x is equals to 2. There are two possibilities. So now my both roots are ready. One root is 0 and another root is 2. Now let's start the equation with. Yes, sir. What we have f of f double dash of x cheyalante first f of x ni simplify cheyali. Yes, f dash of x. Sir, given f dash of x is equals to e power minus x into e power minus x into 2x minus x square. This is the f dash of x we have. For this f dash of x, we need to find out what you called f double dash of x. So if you want to take f double dash of x, So just apply UV rule. E power minus x differentiation or e power minus x ని కాన్స్టెంట్ గా ఉంచి ఫస్ట్ దీనికి డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చెప్పండి. 2x minus x square differentiation is 2 minus 2x. Then e power minus x differentiation is e power minus x into minus 1. So let me write minus here. And 2x minus x square is constant in the second term. What happened? Okay. So ఇంకా ఏం సింప్లిఫై చేయొచ్చు. Okay, e power minus x. So this is the thing I got. Sir, let us substitute the roots. If I substitute the first root that is f double dash of 0, so e power 0 it is 1, 1 into 2 minus 0. Minus this is also 1 into, I think it's totally 0. So finally I got answer as 2. Sir, 2 is positive, 2 is greater than 0. 2 is greater than 0 means this function has minima. Yes, it has a minima at x is equals to 0, but I think our question is maxima. So let us check the second point also. Sir, the second point is f double dash of 2. So in this f double dash of x, if I substitute f double dash of 2, what I will get? E power minus 2. E power minus 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2, 4. Minus e power minus 2 into x place లో 2 substitute చేయాలి. 4 minus 4. Luckily this part becomes 0. 4 minus 4, this part totally 0. And the remaining part what we have? 4 minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. Minus 2 into e power minus 2. Sir, whatever it is, minus 2 into e power minus 2, e value may be 2.73 or whatever you take, no problem. Finally, you can say that this is less than 0, it is a negative. So if it is less than 0, then you can confirm that the given function has maxima at this point. Yes, the given function is having maxima at this point. What is that point? 2, at 2. So answer is 2. Do you want to see the question again? The question is the maximum value of the function f of x occurs at. Yes, it occurs at x is equals to 2. When x is equal to 2, the function has maxima. Another important question, students. Can you try this? Yes, the given function f of t is equals to e power minus t minus 2 into e power minus 2t. This is the given function and we want to find out the maximum value of the function. ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర maximum అని అడగట్లేదు, ఎక్కడో maximum అవుతుంది, ఆ maximum value ఎంత అని అడుగుతున్నారు. That is the thing you should understand. You should clearly know about maxima and maximum value. Okay, sir, given f of t and let us find out f dash of t. Sir, if you take f dash of t, e power minus t differentiation is e power minus t minus minus. In the same way, e power minus 2t differentiation is e power minus 2t into minus 2. So that will become plus 4. And we know that we have to equate this equals to 0. So e power minus t take common minus e power minus t. If you take common this, then minus coda common this, I know. So 1 minus 4 into e power minus 2t lo e power minus t common this, I know. I will get one more e power minus t which is equals to 0. I hope I am clear. And let us start. The product of two things 0, it means that minus of e power minus t is equals to 0. Sir, this is not at all possible because t cannot be equals to infinite. E power minus infinite can be 0, so this thing cannot be possible. And second level is 1 minus of 4 into e power minus t is equals to 0. It means that 1 is equals to 4 into e power t. 4 into e power t. So here we have logarithms. So let us apply logarithms. Before going to the logarithms, 1 by 4 is equals to e power t. So log 1 by 4 to the base e ane kante, what we can do, e power minus t kada idi. Yes, this is e power minus t. Yeah, let us reciprocate. Sir, e power minus t, if you want to make e power minus t as e power plus t, your 1 by 4 becomes 4 by 1. Now you can apply the logarithm definition, that is e power x is equals to 4. It means log 4 to the base e, which implies log 4 to the base e is equals to t. Uh, yeah, 1 second, students. Just give me a second. Yeah, students, say this. So the maximum value of the function occurs at t is equals to what they have given. We got t is equals to logarithm of 4. So log 4 to the base e is maxima. Log 4 to the base e at t is equals to dash and is maxima. Okay, fine. take this example. The minimum value of the function f of x is equals to e power x plus e power minus x is. So they are asking the minimum value, f of x is given. So let us take f dash of x. F dash of x is equals to e power x, and e power minus x differentiation is e power minus x minus 1. Actually, without solving the questions, when you see the options, you can say that. You can say, ఇప్పుడు దీనికి మినిమం వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుందంటే ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్ లో 1 నా ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్ లో 2 నా ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్ లో 0 నా you can verify it from options. Actually, option verification is very easy when comparing with process, but I can tell you the process also, don't worry. So if you take e power x as common, e power x is 1 minus of e power minus 2x. ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ కామన్ తీసాను, ఇక్కడ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ 2x వస్తుంది కదా. Sir, we know that we need to equate f dash of x is equals to 0. It should be equals to 0. And e power x, what happened to this marker? Yes, e power x is equals to 0, or the second factor 1 minus e power minus 2x will be equals to 0. Yes, e power x is equals to 0 means, so e power x cannot be equals to 0 as we discussed earlier. X cannot be minus infinite. So x is equals to 1 minus e power minus 2x is equals to 0. Let us proceed from the second part. Is equals to 0, and 1 is equals to e power minus 2x. If I change e power minus 2x as plus 2x, I should write the reciprocal of 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. Yes, it's 1 only. Now let us apply the logarithms. So if I apply the definition of logarithm, logarithm of 1 to the base e is equals to 2x. So if log 1, as you know that log 1 is 0, so 2x means x must be equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0. And if you want to find out that minimum value, you can find out like this. Okay, let me write here. Sir, the given function is f of x is equals to e power x plus e power minus x. In place of this, if you substitute x as 0, e power 0 plus e power minus 0, that will be 1 plus 1, and minimum value is 2. So this is the thing I told you earlier. Option verification will be very easy when comparing with the process, particular for this particular question. Yes, that depends on given function. Okay, students. Now let's say this. The maximum value of the function e power x by e power sin x by e power cos x. So we should find out e power sin x. The given function f of x is equals to e power sin x plus e power divided by e power cos x. If I take that into numerator, I will get minus cos x. Just like a power m by a power n, a power m minus n. So in the same way, if I take f dash of x, e power x differentiation is e power x. In the same way, e power sin x minus cos x I get initially. And after that, I need to write the sin x minus cos x differentiation also. Sin x differentiation is cos x, Cos x differentiation is minus sin x, so minus of this minus becomes plus. Cos x plus sin x. Sir, we should equate this f dash of x is equals to 0 to get the roots. Yes, we should equate them. We should equate them. So as we discussed earlier, e power of sin x minus cos x cannot be equals to 0. The product of two things equals to 0. The second part only 0. Second part means this area. So what we will get, a cos x plus sin x is equals to 0. So it means that sin x is equals to minus cos x. Sin x is equals to minus cos x. Yes, sin x is equals to minus cos x. And you can say that the sin x is equals to minus cos x means, so it is possible for what maximum value? Yes, it is possible for the maximum value of root 2. Yes, like root 2. Yes, you can also apply the shortcut manner. Yes, you can also apply some shortcut like this. Sir, the given question they are asking maximum value. That means if x is maximum, if given x is maximum, then e power x is also maximum. E power x also maximum. Similarly, in the same way, if your sin x minus cos x is maximum, I am talking about this part. I am talking about this part. If sin x minus cos x is maximum, if it is maximum, then automatically e power sin x minus cos x also becomes maximum. So when the sin x minus cos x becomes maximum for the value of root 2. Yes, we have a famous formula, the maximum value for yes predefined function a sin x plus b cos x. A sin x plus b cos x is equals to square root of a square plus b square. In the same way, in the given question, in place of a, I have 1 square and b means a minus 1 whole square and it will be square root of 2, root 2. Sir, maximum value, yes, it is root 2. At this, it can be maximum. And maximum value of the function will be what? The maximum value of the function will be e power root 2. Yes, I am talking about this. I am talking about this. E power sin x minus cos x. Okay, students, another gate problem. At x is equals to 1 by root e. If the given x is 1 by root e, then f of x is equals to minus x square. Here it is ln means logarithm. Logarithm of x, log x as dash. At x is equals to 1 by root e, when x is equals to 1 by root e, x value 1 by root e అయినప్పుడు ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కి మాక్సిమా ఉంటుందా మినిమా ఉంటుందా? So what we should do? So we should calculate that. Sir, remember the process of maxima and minima. When f of x is available, let us find out f dash of x. F dash of x is equals to, what do you say? Just like UV rule, minus x square differentiation is minus 2x. into log x is constant, plus second time minus x square is constant and log x differentiation is 1 by x. So what do you get? So minus 2x times of log x and 1x is going to be cancelled and it is minus x. So we know that f dash x we should be equal to 0. f dash x ని 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేసి మీరు రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. కానీ మీరు రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ. ప్రాబ్లం లో వాడు ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు, x is equals to 1 by root e దగ్గర ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కి ఏముంటుంది అంటున్నారు. You just need to analyze when x is equals to 1 by root e. So f double dash of a you need to think. Sir, what about f double dash of x? F double dash of x is, let us take f double dash of x here. So minus 2x x log x. So what we can say here, minus 2 ని కాన్స్టెంట్ గా ఉంచుదాం. మళ్ళీ x log x కి మళ్ళీ uv రూల్ అప్లై చేద్దాం. x into log x differentiation is 1 by x plus and log x into x differentiation is 1. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు యూవీ రూల్ అప్లై చేశాను, అయిపోయింది. మైనస్ ఫైనల్లీ దిస్ ఎక్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఈజ్ 1 minus 1. So I got something here. So what do you get? This by x into x is going to be cancelled, minus 2 again minus 2 log x and one more minus 1 here. So my final result is f double dash of x is minus 2 log x minus 3. This is the result I got. F double dash of x. F double dash of x is equals to f double dash of x is equals to. Sir, this is f double dash of x. The question is when at x is equals to 1 by root e. At x is equals to 1 by root e. Let us substitute this. Now f double dash of, in place of x, let us substitute 1 by root e. 1 by root e. 1 by root e. 1 by root e means minus 2 into logarithm of 1 by root e minus 3. So logarithm of e minus ila unchudam, logarithm of 1 by root e means e power 1 by 2. So if you take it to numerator, e power minus 1 by 2. So and if you have 2 here, this 2 will come like this. Yes, this 2 will come like this, or in the next step you can take, or anyway, minus 2 minus 3 ఈ న్యూమరేటర్ ని తీసుకొచ్చి ముందు పెడదాం. minus 2 into this 1 by 2 come forward, minus 1 by 2 into log e minus 3. So 2 minus 1 by 2 is going to be cancelled, and what we have here, log e to the base e, so it is 1. The total part becomes 1. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 means less than 0. Finally, symbol is very important. So it is minus 0, minus 2 less than 0. It means that at this point, the given function has maxima. I got negative, so it has maxima. Final result is maxima. So ikkada meeku formula telse untundi. Here I used a formula like, so if you have logarithm of a power x, you can write x into log a. This is the simple formula I used, minus 1 by 2, I just taken forward. Okay, students, in this model you can solve this maxima minimas. And see another question. The minimum value of the function y is equals to x square in the interval 1 comma 5. Okay, so you just see the given interval. The given interval values are the given interval values are 1 comma 5, and moreover this is the open interval of 1 comma 5. It means you need to include 1 and 5 also, boundaries also 1 2 3 4 5. And let us substitute one by one. Given function is y is equals to x square. Y is nothing but f of x. So let us take lower value y of 1. That means in place of x I am substituting 1 here. So 1 square you will get as 1. And here y of y is equals to, I am substituting last value, that is 5 square, that is 25. So the min value is 1 and the max value is 25. So no problem at all. You can substitute here like this for what you call open intervals. I can write it as a note. Let me take some note. The minimum value in the open interval of AB is equals to, so minimum of functions f of A and f of B. So which will become minimum? That will be your minimum. In the same way, the max value of the function in AB will be max of same f of A, f of B. Yes, మీరు x ప్లేస్ లో 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 4 వస్తుంది, 9 చేస్తే 3 చేస్తే 9 వస్తుంది, 4 చేస్తే 16 వస్తుంది, 5 చేస్తే 25 వస్తుంది. ఫైనల్ గా మీరు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయాలి 25 is the max value, 1 is the min value. Yes. In the same way, here one more question we have. The given f of x is equals to x cube minus 9x square plus 2y కాదు ఇది 24. I will write question correctly. F of x is equals to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x, single variable కదా, plus 5. And the given open interval is 1 comma 6, so you can substitute only 1 and 6. In the middle you may have 2 3 4 5, all the things are not required, so you can take as f of 1 first. If you take f of 1, what you will get? What will be your f of 1 answer? F of 1 will be 1 cube minus 9 into 1 square plus 24 into 1 plus 5, something you got like this. So 35, 45, yes, and it will be 21. And in the same way, if you substitute f of 6, so what do you get? 6 cube minus 9 into 6 square plus 24 into 6 plus 5. So you will get some answer to this. So 6 cube ante 216 minus 6 square ante 36. 36 nines, 36 tens అయితే 360, and you have 36, 330, 324, I think 324, 120 plus 24, 144 plus 5, some answer you got. Yes, 216, 144. Yes, 41 will be the answer. Sir, the min value is 21 and the max value will be 41. That is the answer. Yeah, students, this is the important concept for our maxima, minima with one variable. ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లంలో ఎక్స్ ఒక్కటే ఉంటే ఎక్స్ ఆర్ వై ఏదైనా ఒక్క సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ ఉంటే ఇట్లా చేయాలి. అండ్ for suppose if the given question consists two variables like, then the procedure for maxima minima will be our next concept. Yes. But when we are discussing the method, I can give the method in very brief way and point wise. You may feel that it's not somewhat lengthy, but when you are solving the actual question example, you feel it's very easy. Yes. Consider the given function f of x as f of x comma y and calculate dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. So dou f by dou x means I hope you understand the partial differentiation with respect to x. You need to partial differentiate the given function f with respect to x. And you need to partial differentiate the given function with respect to y. So dou f by dou y like. So after calculating these, just equate them to zeros and you will get stationary points. Yes, when you equate this, you can get some x value as a and here y value as b and the stationary point x comma y. After getting the stationary point, again differentiate, go for second order partial differentiation. So do one more time, dou square by dou x square and also do dou square by dou y square and also when you have dou f by dou y, just differentiate it one more time with x. So then dou square f by dou x dou y here order is very important. It is dou x dou y. Can I write it clearly? Dou a square f by dou x dou y. Dou y dou x different, dou x dou y different. Yes, after calculating these values, just to put that the stationary points a, b and just name them. Yes, you can name them. When you put a, b in dou square f by dou x square, let us take it as name r. And dou square f by dou y square at stationary point a, b can be t. And dou square f by dou x dou y at stationary point a, b will be s. When R, T, S, all these three things are ready, just calculate R into T minus S square. R into T minus S square. And you also have R. Just to compare these two things. So if RT minus S square is greater than 0 and R also greater than 0, then the function has minima at the point AB. And the minimum value is f of ab. Two variable function కాబట్టి x కి y కి two values వస్తాయి కదా, ఆ two values ని function లో substitute చేస్తే మీకు ఒక value వస్తుంది. Okay. And rt minus s square is greater than 0, still r is less than 0. If it is positive and it is also positive, then you can confirm minima. If first part is positive and second part is negative, then you can confirm. If r less than 0, then you can confirm maxima. If initially only the first part is negative, then there is no question. So you cannot set any maxima or minima. No need to compare r. Asal first to rt minus s square less than 0 అయిపోతే the function is having saddle point at a comma b, neither maxima nor minima. So these are the only three cases possible in our maxima minima with two variable function x and y. So let us analyze this. Given function is f of x. first order partial differentiations, equating them to zeros and getting stationary point. After getting stationary points, let us differentiate one more time. అక్కడేమో f double dash of a అంటారు. ఇక్కడేమో dou square f by dou x square and dou square f by dou y square and dou square f by dou x dou y you got like. And first part dou square f by dou x square can be named it as r, and with y square is t. If both dou x dou y is yes, and the next most important thing is you need to compare rt minus s square and r. If rt minus s square is positive, then think about r. R will decide either maxima or minima. If unluckily if rt minus s square is negative, if it is negative, then no need of checking this r. Yeah, students, let's see the problem on this. Yes, the given function f of xy, we have two variable function x comma y we have, and it is given as 4x square plus 6y square minus 8x minus 4y plus 8. This is the two variable function we have. And let us differentiate this function with respect to x. This is the thing we thought. Dou f by dou x. Dou f by dou x is equals to, if you differentiate this with respect to x, your x square differentiation is 2x, so it will become 8x. మీరు పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ x తో చేసేటప్పుడు y కాన్స్టెంట్, సో ఇట్ షుడ్ బి 0, నో డౌట్. And minus 8x differentiation is simply minus 8. And this will be 0, 4y differentiation 0, and 8 differentiation is also 0. So finally I got 8x minus 8. So let us equate 8x minus 8 is equals to 0 to get the stationary point. If 8x minus 8 is equals to 0, which implies that x is equals to 1. Okay, now take the second differentiation. First order differentiation with respect to y. Sir, if you differentiate with respect to y, 6x square differentiate, ఇది 0 అయిపోతుంది. First term 0. 6y square differentiation is 12y. ఇంకా y terms ఎక్కడున్నాయి? Minus 4y differentiation is minus 4. And let us equate this value equals to 0. Then y value is equals to 4 by 12 ante 1 by 3. So finally I got some stationary point for x comma y. I got a stationary point here. A stationary point, you can call it as AB or XY something, is equals to 1 comma 1 by 3. Now my stationary point is ready. Next I required R, T and S. Okay. Now let's take differentiation. Second order partial differentiation. Sir, actually your dou f by dou x is ready here. So just observe this dou f by dou x and let us take dou square f by dou x square. So if you take dou square f by dou x square, 8x minus 8, it will be simply 8. So, and this is my r. Let me say it as r according to method. And dou square f by dou y square is, sir, your dou f by dou y is ready here. So let us differentiate. So it's simply 12. So this is my t. Now yes. Sir, what is yes? Yes is, what is yes? Dou square f by dou x of dou f by dou y. Then you will get dou square f by dou x dou y. అంటే దీనికి dou f by dou y కి x తో డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి. సో ఎలా డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేసినా జీరోనే వచ్చేది. So when you are differentiating with respect to x, there is no x term here, so you cannot get anything here, so it will be 0. Now my all three variables R, T and S are ready. Now let us compare RT minus S square. When we have R into T minus S square is equals to, sir, R into T, 12 into 8 minus 0 square. So that is 96. 96 is greater than 0. And moreover, R is also greater than 0. R is 8, that is also greater than 0. Both are having greater than zeros. Then your conclusion is the given function has minima. Both are positive, so it has minima at the point given point x comma y at the given point 1 comma 1 by 3. Okay, sir, I accept this function is having minimum value. That's okay, fine. So what is that minimal value? If you ask me what is that minimum value, you just substitute in the given function f of 1 comma 1 by 3. You just substitute there f of 1 comma 1 by 3. So function lo substitute cheyandi. The given question is 4x square plus 6y square minus 8x minus 4y plus 8. So this is the question. In place of x, just substitute 1, 4 into 1 square plus 6 into 1 by 3 whole square minus 8 into 1 minus 4 into 1 by 3 plus 8. So if you substitute this, you will get that minimum value. ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర మినిమం ఉంటుంది. ఆ మినిమం వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉంటుందో మీరు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది. So here we have the answer 10 by 3. You can do and you can also check yourself either it is correct or wrong. Okay, students, that's about our concept of maxima, minima for one variable functions and two variable functions. Come on. Next, we are going to entering into a very important concept that is mean value theorems. Mean value theorems. Take these mean value theorems. Yes, Rolle's mean values theorems, Lagrange's mean values theorems, and Cauchy's mean values theorems. Yes, these are the different mean values theorems we have. Students, when you are taking this statement here, everything is very important. In the sense here, the bracket is also very important. So if I use this bracket closed, open parenthesis like open interval, and this is closed interval. So it's very important. Yeah, let us see the definition of first theorem, that is Rolle's mean value theorem. If f of x is a, ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు ఇంకా, if f of x is a continuous, the given function is continuous in open interval of ab, continuous, limit extends to a minus, limit extends to a plus is equals to f of a, left hand limit is equals to right hand limit is equals to the function value, continuous. And differentiable, it should be differentiable, left hand derivative is equals to right hand derivative, differentiable. And f of a is equals to f of b. Three conditions చెప్పాను నేను ఇప్పుడు. Given Rolle's mean value theorem says that if the given function is continuous, differentiable, and moreover boundary is f of a is equals to f of b, then there exists some point C, which belongs to the closed interval of AB, such that f dash of C is equals to 0. So if it satisfies three conditions, f of A is equals to f of B, differentiable, continuous, then you can say that f dash of C is equals to 0 అయ్యేటట్టు ఒక పాయింట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. అది కూడా what you called enclosed interval. Closed interval means if you say that C belongs to 2 comma 3 means C value must be more than 2, more than 2. C value must be more than 2 and less than 3. That's it. 2 అవ్వదు 3 అవ్వదు 2.001 or 2.999 అలా ఉండొచ్చు but it cannot be equal. It cannot be equals to extremes. So here if f of a is equals to f of b, ఇక్కడ కొంచెం చేంజ్ ఉంది. This is b and this is c. Yes. So the first point is a. If f of a is equals to f of b, if these both are equal, then there exists some point c in this interval ab somewhere in the middle, but it cannot be equals to a, it cannot be equals to b, or less than a, or it cannot be more than b. So somewhere there exists some point c here. So that is our roles. So if you exercise the theorem statement in a right way, then you can understand the model of the question first. If you understand the case, which case the problem belongs, then you can easily solve the question. The second theorem is Lagrange's. The Lagrange's mean values theorem is like this. The given function f of x is continuous in AB and it is differentiable in AB. These two statements I already discussed earlier. And there exists some C such that f dash of C is equals to f of b minus f of a. The same thing I am writing here, b minus a. But here I didn't specify about third condition, that is f of a is equals to f of b. Yes, you are right. If f of a is equals to f of b, then Rolle's is applied. If f of a is not equals to f of b, if that condition is not satisfied, then our Lagranges will come into the picture. Now the third statement. నేను త్రీ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఒకే చోట ఇచ్చాను, మీరు కంపేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుందని. తర్వాత ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తా. Cauchy's mean value theorem. Yeah, the f of x ఇది. If two functions f of x and g of x are two functions two functions are continuous in AB, differentiable in AB, and moreover the denominator g dash of x is not equals to 0 because I will use g dash here. So if g dash of x is not equals to 0, then there exists some point c in the closed interval of a comma b such that f dash of c by g dash of c. So they are giving g dash of c because of this reason. Because of this reason, they said it is not equals to 0. If denominator is 0, you get indefinite value. That is the reason. So f dash of c by g dash of c is equals to, what do you get? F of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. And this is the part we have. Analyze the three given statements. If you are good in these statements, roles. కంటిన్యూస్ డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ యూజువల్ గా అవుతాయి ఇచ్చిన ఫంక్షన్స్, అవి మనం చెక్ చేయలేం ప్రాబ్లం లో. చేయాలనుకుంటే చేయొచ్చు ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర అయినా, నో ప్రాబ్లం. And f of a is equals to f of b, then Rolle's is there exists some point c such that f dash of c is equals to 0. And the given functions are continuous, differentiable, but f dash of a is not equals to f of b. F of a is not f of b, then f dash of c is f of b minus f of a by b minus a. That is Lagrange's. And Cauchy's also, it is continuous, differentiable, but there are two functions in the question, f of x and g of x. Then you will get f dash of c by g dash of c is f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a like. Yes, yes, yeah. Yeah, students, this is the example question we have. So the value of c for the function f of x is equals to e power x into sin x minus cos x it is, sin x minus cos x. Then in the interval of pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Yes, the given interval is the open interval of pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. This is the given interval. Yes, and f of x ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఏం లేదు. And here we have the given function f of x. F of x is equals to e power x into, let me write clearly, sin x minus cos x. Yes, this is the given f of x. And first I want to check two values. When a and b are available, I need to find out f of a and f of b. F of a, f of b కి ఈక్వల్ అయితే రోల్స్ థీరం తీసుకుంటాను. If f of a is not equals to f of b, then I can go for Lagrange's. And I don't take what you called Cauchy's because there are no two functions in the question. Only one function is available, f of x with variable x only. Yes, I hope you got the model. Now let's see this f of pi by 4, f of a. So let us find out f of pi by 4. If I take pi by 4 and 45 kada, so here I have pi by 4 sin 45 minus cos 45, it becomes 0. 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, 0 kada. And in the same way 5 pi by 4, same multiple, that is also 0. Odd multiple. Yes. Anyway, f of a is equals to f of b. So f of a is equals to f of b, then we can go for Rolle's theorem. So in our Rolle's theorem, there exists some c in the closed interval of a b such that f dash of c is equals to 0. Sir, if you want to make f dash of c is 0, just to find out f dash of x first. If you find out f dash of x, then you can speak about f dash of c. So what is f dash of c? So here f of x is available. Let us differentiate. So దీన్ని u function అనుకోండి, దీన్ని v function అనుకోండి. So let us apply uv rule, u dash v plus v dash u. Yes sir, we have e power x. E power x differentiation is e power x. And second function is as it is, sin x minus cos x. And second time, let us make e power x as constant and let us differentiate sin x minus cos x. Sin x differentiation is cos x and cos x differentiation is minus sin x and it will become plus sin x. Already minus undi kada, minus into minus plus avutundi. So what do you say? Now f dash of x is equals to, sir, when you multiply this, your cos x term is going to be cancelled, I think. And the remaining part is 2 times of e power x into sin x. Yes. And remember the Rolle's statement. There exists some c such that which belongs to AB in such a way that f dash of c is equals to 0. So let us take f dash of c is equals to 0. So let us take f dash of c is equals to 0. What I want to take here, let me take some space here. I want to take f dash of c is equals to 0. Sir, f dash of c is equals to 0 means in place of x, let us substitute c. E power c into sine c is equals to 0. So 2 0 avadu. E power c 0 avadu because c cannot be infinite. The only possibility is sine c can be 0. Sir, the only possibility is I want to write here. So sine c can be 0. So sine c can be 0 is possible for either c is equals to plus or minus pi. Sir, if you take plus or minus pi, if you take minus pi cannot be lies in this interval. The only available option is plus pi. So C must belongs to the given interval AB. AB means pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. Students ఇందాకడ నేను ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్స్ యూజ్ చేశాను. ఇప్పుడు కర్వ్ బ్రాకెట్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఇట్స్ ఏ క్లోజ్డ్ ఇంటర్వెల్. It's a bracket, but it matters a lot here. So C is equals to, it must be equals to plus pi. What happened? What happened? Yes, I think no problem. C is equals to plus pi. So plus or minus pi, there are two possibilities, but C must be equals to plus pi because C must belongs to the given interval of pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Okay, okay. I hope you're understanding these mean values theorems. Now let's see this question. The value of C for the function f of x is equals to 1 minus x square plus x cube in the closed interval of minus 1 comma plus 1. Yes. Yes, sir. Let us find out f of x first. The given f of x is equals to 1 minus x square plus x cube. And usually we have the interval like AB. This AB is given as minus 1 comma plus 1 like. So f of x, here we have f of x, let us find out f of a. అది అంటే ఏ థీరం కేసులోకి వెళ్తుందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం కోసం నేను f of a చేస్తున్నా. So if I find out f of a and f of b, then I can confirm either it is Lagrange's or Rolle's theorem. Sir, f of a means f of 1. F of 1 means 1 minus 1 plus 1. So it is plus 1. And if you take f of b means f of minus కాదు f of a అంటేనే minus 1. Yes, yes. F of a means minus 1. So f of minus 1 పెట్టాలి ఇక్కడ. So this is 1 minus x place లో minus 1 whole square అంటే minus 1 whole square, this is plus 1, no problem. And x cube, in place of x cube minus 1 whole cube I have to take. So then what I will get? I will get something like 1 minus 1 minus 1 వస్తుంది. So I think I got minus 1. Okay. Yes. Now let me take f of 1. So if you take f of 1 here, 1 minus 1 square plus 1 cube, that is equals to 1 minus 1 plus 1. This plus 1 minus 1 is going to be cancelled. Result is 1. But f of a I got as minus 1 and f of b I got as plus 1. So f of a is not equals to f of b. So f of a is not equals to f of b, then you should proceed to Lagrange's theorem. Yes, the Lagrange's statements, you try to remember the Lagrange's statement. So what is that Lagrange's statement? There exists some c in the given interval such that f dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a by b minus a, f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Yes, this is the Lagrange's one. So from here, I should know one by one. Sir, if you want to talk about f dash of c, first you need to know about f dash of x. Yes. F of x is available clearly here. Let us take f dash of x. If you take f dash of x, then you will get 1 minus 2x plus 3x square. So this is f dash of x. Just to differentiate, yes, sir. So 1 ki differentiation 0 kada. So this is 0. That's it. So minus 2x plus 3x square. Okay. Sir, f dash of x is minus 2x minus 3x plus 3x square means f dash of c in place of x I should substitute c here. So minus 2c plus 3c square. ఇక్కడ x place లో c substitute చేశాను, which is equals to f of b. The function in b value is 1, I think. So this is 1. 1 minus of f of a. F of a is also minus 1. 1 minus of minus 1 divided by b minus a. B minus a also same values. 1 minus of minus 1. Yes. So let me take one more step. Minus 2c plus 3c square is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. This total RHS part becomes 1. So 2 by 2 వస్తుంది కదా, అది 1 అవుతుంది. So then what do you get? Let us find out some quadratic equation in terms of c's. So c terms అన్ని ఒక సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్దాం. సార్ 3c square first, తర్వాత minus 2c, and take this 1 to left hand side, minus 1 is equals to 0. So 1 3s are 3. So the factors are, what do you get? Minus 3c plus 1c. Radha mark step. 3c square minus 3c plus 1c minus 1 is equals to 0. So I think factors are c minus 1 into 3c common is the 3c plus 1. Yes, 3c plus 1. So c is equals to 0. If c minus 1 is equals to 0, then c is equals to plus 1, or c is equals to minus 1 by 3. Can you tell me which is correct answer? Either c is 1 or c is minus 1 by 3, or both are correct. Which option I should choose? Can you answer this, students? Anybody? Yes, c is equals to 1, c is equals to minus 1 by 3. So when you take c is equals to minus 1 by 3, sir, if you take c is equals to 1, the given interval is 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Yes, the given interval is minus 1 comma 1. So c must be belongs to this. It should be more than minus 1 and less than plus 1. So c is equals to 1 is not allowed. But you can take c is equals to minus 1 by 3. This is okay, fine. Yes. So c should belongs to the interval of minus 1 comma 1, closed interval. So c must be equals to minus 1 by 3. So it cannot be equals to plus 1. Like, okay, fine. And try this question, students. The value of c for the function f of x is equals to root of x square minus 4 in in the open interval of 2 comma 4. Yes. Yes, let us try. Yes, given f of x is equals to square root of x square minus 4. So if f of x is available and given interval is 2 comma 4, let us substitute that values to know the type of theorem. F of 2. ఇప్పుడు f of 2 substitute చేస్తే root of 2 square minus 4. So it will be 0. F of 2 is 0. And in the same way, if I substitute f of 4, 4 square, 16 minus 4 into 12, root 12 it is. Anyway, f of a is not equals to f of b finally. So f of a is not equals to f of b, then I should go for Lagrange's, then f dash of x I need. Let us find out f dash of x. F dash of x is equals to, so here f of x available. So f dash of x, root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x means x square minus 4. For this x square minus 4, I should write differentiation again, 2x. And this x is going to be cancelled. And the remaining part is x by square root of x square minus 4. X square minus 4. So in this interval, we have f dash of x in 2 comma 4. So we have to take 2 comma 4. So I will get f dash of c, and that f dash of c must belongs to 2 comma 4. Yes. Let us apply this Lagrange's statement. So the Lagrange statement is something like f dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. F of d minus f of a by b minus a. So f dash of c. F dash of c means, sir, here f dash of x is available. From this, write down f dash of c. So c by you have ఇది e కాదు c. C by square root of c square minus 4 is equals to f dash of f of b. F of b answer I got as root 12. Root 12 minus 0, f of a 0 divided by b minus a. B minus a means 2 comma 4 kada, interval 4 minus 2. Yes. So then what I will get here? So c by square root of c square minus 4 is equals to root 12 by simply 2. So what we are going to do is, let us square on both sides. Then it will become simple. LHS whole square, RHS whole square. Let us suppose like. So then your numerator becomes, this is c square. Yes, this is c square divided by, denominator is c square minus 4 and numerator is root 12 whole square ante 12 and 2 square ante simply 4. So 2 square means 4. I think you will get 3c here. 3 వస్తుంది కదా ఇక్కడ. Here I got 3 and do cross multiplication. 3c square minus 3 fourths 12 is equals to 3 by 1. It is only c square. So 3c square minus c square is 2c square is equals to 12. It means c square is 6. So it means c is equals to square root of 6. Yes, square root of 6 means it can be plus or minus root 6. Yes, sir, c is equals to plus or minus root 6. But the given interval, what we have the given interval is 2 comma 4 only. So when the given interval is 2 comma 4, then you are not allowed to take minus root 6. So answer must be plus root 6. Answer must be plus root 6. That's it. Yes, root 6 lies between 2 and 4. 2 point something you got. Okay, okay, students, and see this model question. So I finished the questions in what you called. I solved the question in what you Lagrange's model. I solved Rolle's theorem, and the only thing left is Cauchy's. So if I solve this model question, then I can cover Cauchy's also, Cauchy's theorem also. Let us see this Cauchy's. Sir, Cauchy's theorem easily we can identify because there will be two functions. F of x is 1 by x and g of x is 1 by x square. Yes, both are available. And I hope you remember the Cauchy's statement also. F dash of c divided by g dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. G of b minus g of a. This is Cauchy's statement. So if I want to proceed to this, first I initially should find out f dash of c. So, sir, f of x is available. Can you tell f dash of x? 1 by x differentiation. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. And in the same way, g dash of x differentiation. 1 by x square differentiation is nothing but minus 2 by x cube. Minus 2 by x cube. And I also required f of b's and f of a's. Let us find out f of b. Sir, what is f of b? F of b. F of b is, so b is 2. So I think f of b is 1 by 2. And f of a is 1 by 1. And g of b is 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. And what you called g of a is, so in 1 by x square I should substitute 1. So it is 1. So I think finally everything is ready. Now let's move to the actual statement. Sir, f dash of c by g dash of c. So f dash of x is 1 by minus 1 by x square and f dash of c means minus 1 by c square divided by g dash of c is minus 2 by c cube, which is equals to f of b. F of b means 1 by 2 minus f of a 1 divided by g of b 1 by 4 minus 1. So this is the step we got. and next step is minus divided by minus, it becomes plus here, and your c square and c cube cancel, and finally you will get 1c in the denominator 2. You have c by 2 is equals to 1 minus half, means simply half minus half, and 1 minus 1 by 4 means minus 3 by 4, I think. 1 by 4 minus 1 is minus 3 by 4. So here you will get numerator as minus 1 by 2, and it will become reciprocal, that is minus 4 by 3. And then you got some 2 here, 2 by 3 finally. So the left part is c by 2 and the right part is 2 by 3. And from this equation, your c value is, so 2 into 2, that is 4 by 3. So not only getting this C value, you should analyze that either this C is really exist in the given boundaries or not. So according to our Cauchy's theorem, it says that there exists some C such that which belongs to the closed interval of A comma B. Yes, here I got answer 4 by 3, and 4 by 3 belongs to our given interval like 1 comma 1 by 1 comma 2. Yes, it happens 1 by 2. So answer 4 by 3 is correct. 4 by 3 అంటే 1 point something వస్తుంది కదా, సో డెఫినెట్ గా ఆ రేంజ్ లో ఉంటుంది. Yeah, students, this is the approach of Cauchy's theorem. I hope you can find all the theorems like this and take this question. It is some like assignment question to you, and you try to solve this question. You try to solve this question. Yeah, this is the question I have given. I will verify the question one time. అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో నేను ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇస్తున్నాను, బట్ ఇక్కడ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కాదు ఇచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చింది ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. బీ కేర్ఫుల్. ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్, దట్ ఈస్ 1 by 5 minus x square, but boundary is almost decided. F of 0 is 2. Then the lower and upper limits of f of 1. F of 1. So what are the lower and upper limits of f of 1? So actual answer is, you will get the answer as, for the f of 1, the lower limit will be 2.2 you will get, and the upper limit is 2.25. So you try to solve this question yourself. Yes, it's application of Lagrange's. Okay, students, that are the parts, concepts we finished in our calculus and mean values theorems and everything we finished in this calculus part. So that's about our today's session. In the next session, we can join with new concepts and new methods like numerical methods, differential equations, and all such topics we can discuss. So thank you very much, students. Now I am leaving the session.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, bye, students.
Bye, sir.